In this short video, we will show you how to action your client checklist within the new Karbon for Clients portal, the easiest way to stay on top of what we need from you. When we are ready to request information from you for your tax work, you'll receive an email from us with a link to your checklist. Click the link in the email to get started. It will prompt you to log in with your existing login credentials. This is your client checklist. Each item shows exactly what we need from you, whether that's a document upload, a quick question, or a simple confirmation. To upload a document, click onto the relevant task, then hit the Upload Document button shown here. Choose the file from your computer or drag and drop it into the window. Make sure to press Send after you have attached the document. Once uploaded, we're immediately notified. There's no need to email it separately. If you need to reply to a checklist item, go into the task and hit the comment button. Input your comment here, then click Send. After you've completed a task or uploaded a file, make sure to click the Mark Complete button so that we can confirm you have provided the necessary documents. Your progress is automatically saved. You can resume where you left off if you do not have all the information required to answer all queries. Simply log back in and access it through either the current work section or in the task section located in the sidebar.
Karbon for Clients now has a mobile app you can download, making it even more convenient to stay connected and manage everything on the go. Download the app, log in, and this is how it will look on your phone. To upload documents, tap Current Work, then select the task you want to view. From there, you can upload files directly from your gallery, your documents, or even use your phone's camera to take a picture. Just name the document and hit Submit, and it will upload instantly. Please avoid uploading documents directly into the Documents tab. To ensure we're notified, please make sure to upload any requested files directly through the checklist tasks provided. Uploads made outside of those tasks won't trigger a notification on our end. And that's it. Using your Karbon checklist will help us work faster and more efficiently and make life easier for you too.